Do you remember the day you graduated, when the halls of academia resonated with hope and fear, laughter and tears, entering a new chapter of life without knowing the fact that your connections with your classmates would soon fade away, and you will dive deeper in the vast ocean of possibilities? The career, the family, the corporate life. No matter you are a final year student or graduated even 20 years back, Manufacturing.pk is a great opportunity to reconnect with your colleagues, use our alumni category, and enjoy the powerful filters based on your university, graduating year, your skills matrix, geolocation, and lot more. Manufacturing.pk is connecting the souls, socially and professionally. If you are an industrial liaison professional at any university, stop managing data on forms and sheets and start managing it at Manufacturing.pk to make it more visible to thousands of recruiters and industries out there. Make your listing, develop your website, grab your dashboard, and interact with the pool of great souls. Manufacturing.pk, guiding your dreams, managing your data, connecting your potential. Register now.